since I come from a liberal arts background and I was a political science major and almost an English major, I think about this a lot. Like everyone should learn how to write well in life, not regardless of ChatGPT, right? And writing well and coherently and precisely is the best way to prompt the model. And there are tricks, there are all these other tricks you'll see to prompt the model a little bit better. Fundamentally, it comes down to writing precisely. So the best advice I have is to write precisely and and think critically about how you would solve that problem. I try to take everything in my mind when I'm writing code, especially, and trying to get ChatGPT to generate something for me. I give it a lot of context, right? I say, here's the fundamental problem I'm trying to solve. Here's the technology I'm using. Here's a little context about the code that I've already written, so it sees the styles that we implement in our code base. And then I often ask it, like, tell me how you might solve this problem. I'm thinking about it this way, but I'm very open to advice, from you as the expert, right? But I try to decompose the problem as deeply as I can. Also, you've got to be clear with the output. Like this is what you'll see in a lot of prompt engineering guides. You want to tell it like the exact kind of output that you expect, because otherwise it might, give you this long paragraph of answer, and you're like, well, no, I actually wanted like a 2 sentence summary. Or if you're writing code, you can tell it like, just give me the code, right? I don't want any explanation. If you provide me an explanation given comments in the code, but I just want the code, right? So I can share some resources, like you said, we'll share these with the viewers for effective prompt techniques. But at the end of the day, I just try to take everything in my mind about the problem I'm trying to solve and put it on paper. And I'll often edit my prompt before I even hit submit, just to make sure that it's clear and precise. And the machine needs that. So that's the best advice I have, is learn how to write well in general, but absolutely learn how to write well with this future of AI, because it will serve you well with writing prompts.